So I moved to Sarnia about 6 years ago and I absolutely fell in love with this city. This city is my second home and my home looks amazing during fall. Let me show you guys what I mean. Now, if you guys don't know where Sarnia is, you guys are probably living under a rock. But anyway, let me show you guys where it is. That big piece of land, yeah, that's Sarnia. We have the St. Clair River and also the breathtaking Lake Huron. Still remember my first walk down the Canatara beach on a really cold winter day, almost freezing my toes, but loving every second of it. So I was a newcomer and like so many other international students, I had to start my life from scratch. But something about this place actually did make me feel like I belonged. Now, I know a lot of you who are watching this video can actually relate to what I'm saying. And also, I have mad respect for anyone who decided to move out of their home to a different city, maybe to a different state or province, or even to a different country and start their life from scratch. That takes guts, and I salute you for that. Honestly, every sunset feels like a reminder of how far I've actually come since I've moved here. It feels strange because I've always thought that home was where you grew up or where your parents are. But after being part of such a diverse culture in a very foreign land for almost 6 years, every street, every golden hour and every quiet walk by the water, it all feels like a part of me. It feels like Sarnia didn't just welcome me. It became a part of my journey, one memory at a time.